Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to find the Wi-Fi password on your Virgin Media Hub 5 quickly and easily. So one of the easiest ways for you to find the Virgin Media Hub 5 Wi-Fi password is by checking the sticker which is attached to the router. Now on most of the Hub 5 models, the sticker is located on the bottom or the back of the router. So you will see the default Wi-Fi name, and sometimes it is also with the name SSID along with the wireless password and the security key. Now you need to make sure that you look for the section which is labeled as a Wi-Fi network name and the password, as it can be shown over here on this particular sticker. The Wi-Fi password is usually a mix of the letters and the numbers, and it is also case sensitive, so you need to enter it exactly as shown. Now you just have to open the Wi-Fi settings on your phone or your laptop or any other device, and then you need to simply select the Virgin Media network name which will be printed on the Hub 5, and then enter the password carefully. Now once it is entered correctly, your device should connect to the internet automatically. Now after doing this, you just have to simply open your web browser. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for this particular IP address, which is 192.168.0.1, and this is going to redirect you on the login page of Virgin Media Hub 5. So you need to log in there with the help of your login ID and password. So this way you will get access to your home page, and with the help of it you can easily reset the password, and you can also restore the hub back to the factory settings. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.